Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to search for ferries on the Corsica Ferries application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that you should tap on the My Reservation button down below, which is the second option. Go to the top of the screen and then you should tap on complete your search, and here you should select your crossing, so your mainland and between islands should be selected. After that you should set the date, the outward and return. Here you can add details such as the number of passenger, vehicle and the cabins. Then click on the search button and here you will be able to see all of the available options. As you tap on them, you will be able to see the price, direct crossings and other information. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.